Hi guys. So you know when you're having a really bad day and then you have a knock on the door and you open it and it's the postman with a little package in his hand. So this is, let me get that out of the way before I end up with glue on everything. This is package number 1 of my Born Pretty haul, and I went over there because I was watching, excuse my bird, I'm sure it was Nails by Sue, and she was doing some stamping of how to do a French, and she had a lace plate from Born Pretty, and I was thinking to myself, with all the stamping plates that I've got, I haven't got a lace plate. So I went over to Born Pretty to go and get this lace plate because it's gorgeous, and obviously they had a sale on, so I'll show you what I got. Okay, so I got myself a set of nail polishers, but I'll do them in the end. So this is the stamping plate. It's bridal number 5. It looks, oh, I like how they do that. Do it that way. So as you can see, it's all the little lacy designs, and she had a really good tip on how to stamp a lace French. So I will be practicing that, but I'm so happy that I've got this. So yeah, bridal number 5. While I was there, like I say, they had a sale on, so I seen these and I love, look, they're like gothic stained glass. Well, they're called church windows on here. This is church window number 12, and I just thought we could do some really nice stained glass effects. I was thinking about stamping them and then doing some reverse stamping, like colouring in the, but oh, they just look unreal. And then there's this one as well. This was church window number 10. And I think these were reduced to like £4, something like that. Oh, sorry. Obviously you're going to need a little bit of a longer nail for some of them, but we could make it work. 100%. So that's the church window number 10. I got, oh my days, I'm going to do this. Now I know I've spoke to one lady on here who uses this, the Magician stamping top coat, and so you stamp with this and it needs to be cured, but then you can put chrome on. So I was thinking, you know, for these, stamp these designs with this and have like a silver or gold chrome for the outline. So I'm going to have a practice with that. I'm sure I'm going to be there a while trying to figure that one out, but we'll see. And then I got the, this is LP07, that's what it says, liner paint gel. I seem to get through a lot of this sort of thing, and that is just sparkly deliciousness. And honestly, it goes on so nice as well. It's quite a big bottle, so 10ml, which is better than your normal little liner gel paints that you normally get. And then I got this, and because I've never ordered direct from Born Pretty before, they had this offer for your first order where I got 10% off, but then they had this spin the wheel thing as well, so I had a voucher code for 35% off. So this, and then it's free delivery, excuse me, free delivery for any orders over £20. So This was supposed to be 30 quid, I think. Look. So obviously I got 45% off. I think that is an absolute bloody bargain. And wait till you see what my next one is. They had a Valentine's sale as well. So obviously I went back and then I got another voucher. So I got another bargain. So this is... Which one does it say? Doesn't say what sort of collection name or anything like that. I've already got like I've already got one set which has got all like the browns and like the more muted colours, which I got from Amazon. But then I seen this set. Obviously you get your black and white, then the blue, purple, obviously, red, which, the Vitality series, there we go. Your gold and your silver. Born Pretty stamping polishes, absolutely. Oh, look. Oh my god, I think I want to cry. Absolutely amazing. Love their stamping polishes. These are Mow You London, the 2 stamping polishes which I have discovered are the utmost best. Mow You London are ending their stamping range, so you can go over there and you can get some stamping plates and stamping polish for as little as £1. I've actually blocked myself from the website because, yeah, I end up with big deliveries. But yeah, so I think, yeah, so I got this for about £16. I think it worked out with the vouchers and the discounts and everything like that. So, but even 30 quid, that is a bargain, because you've got your black, your white, your gold and your silver. They are your staple starting colours. And then you've got the added ones. So we've got the red, purple. Oh, has that got a shimmer? Oh, I think it has. What number is this? So, TV 808, this one. Oh, it has. It's got like a really, I don't know if you'll be able to, the light. It's got a really slight shimmer. I love the smell of them. Am I weird? So yeah, obviously you've got the orange, the yellow, the green. So I think this is going to finish. Oh wow, I don't even know why I'm saying finish my collection, because it's not, because you know I'll buy more. But yeah, so there is part 1 of Born Pretty delivery, and the next delivery's got even more bargains, and I can't wait to show you, and I can't wait to go making stuff. So I'm off to go to do some stamping. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.